Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I have some in-store deals that are very respectful, but I also ran into a massive roadblock this morning. So I'm going to suggest a couple of things. Even if you have that itch to get out to Walgreens and do some shopping, we're kind of on a red alert because there are some issues with the system. Basically for me this morning, and I went at the crack of crow, so my checkout was about 9:30. None of my digital coupons came off my transaction, and no register rewards also printed, and we tried two different registers. I personally would recommend to wait after 3 o'clock or wait till Monday, July the 8th to do these transactions. And I will recommend to test with the Crest. What does that mean? We have a little deal here to just roll some Walgreens cash and one digital coupon. See if the digital coupon is coming off and your register reward is printing. And I'm going to really lean on you guys. Can you please let me know in the comments down below what's going on at your store and your system? Say you're in Texas and it's working right, Houston, Texas working 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so for this deal, it's just a very basic and straightforward deal for 2 free toothbrushes. So we're going to grab 2 of these brushes for $6 on the nose. Unfortunately, that toothpaste for $3 is really hard to find. $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them on the Crest or Oral-B. And we got this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2, and it's working with those toothbrushes. So a very basic deal. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $6. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward. And I would do this one to test. So if you were going to do a $45 booster basket, test it before you do it. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, just to test it out. But I would test it because you don't want to end up like me where you have to call customer service and negotiate some register rewards with the manager. It's never a fun time. I don't enjoy that myself. So if you're like me, wait later in the day, read the comments of this video and share. And I would test out the Crest because that's the easiest way to see what is and is not working. Also have a lot of the 4th of July candy at 70% off. So anything that looks 4th of July, ask for a price check. I mean, if you have an itch to go shopping, $1.49 for a bag of these blow pops is a pretty good deal. Also, we have a lot of Maybelline concealers, foundation at 75% off. I know a lot of us had a $3 digital. Unfortunately, I used all of mine. I would have loved to have grabbed this concealer, but it is what it is. If you can line this deal up, I mean, go for it. And then we also have the trash bags that are buy one, get 2 for free. At the register, guys, everything was ringing up sales price. It was just the register rewards and digital coupons that didn't work for me. Very nice manager helped me out, and then I had to call customer service to get all of my digital coupons back for the Tide deal that I did. I believe this is a monthly deal. It's buy 2, get 1 for free on select Walgreens brand items. These larger hand sanitizers are part of it, and believe it or not, I actually ran out. These expire after time, so I got a couple today. I actually got 3. They're $5.49, so for 3 of them, it's $10.98. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid the 98 cents. And I'm doing this deal as a no booster deal. But if you need to stock up for these larger hand sanitizers, it's just one of those things I'm like, I don't have any in my stockpile. So 98 cents is a good price for me. We also have a very good deal for the Dial body wash where they're $1.50 a piece. So we're going to grab 3 of them. They are $4 register reward when you buy 3 of them. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. Make sure you have it loaded. Extra savings. So grabbing 3 of these body washes, it's going to be $10.50. The third one will be 50% of the $7. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $8.50 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $4.50 for the 3 or $1.50 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another fantastic deal this week is with the Colgate toothpaste, or like the brushes or the mouthwashes, because we have 2 different digital coupons. And the promotion for these are to buy 2 to get back a $4 register reward. And then we also got 4 off 2 digitals for the toothpaste, mouthwash, and the toothpaste. So definitely a week to stock up to get these on the cheap. And this is the digital coupon right here for one of them, which is a 4 off 2. There's a similar one for the toothpaste. So grabbing two of these products for $9, subtracting the 4 off 2 digital, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the two or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I would test out the Crest because it's just a freebie, and then save this one later in the week if you want to add it to your $45 basket. We also have the Pantene. I know this is one product I'm like, I don't have any in my stockpile. I really need some. So the promotion with this is to buy 3 to get back a $2 register reward, but we got a very generous digital coupon this morning, which is a 5 off of 3, and it's attaching to the $5 shampoos. So, like, however you want to do it, it's just a fantastic deal. 3 of the $5 products is $15. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $2 register reward. It makes it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per Pantene. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So in the car, I triple checked in the app. I'm thinking, like, are these items printing register rewards? What am I on? Like, why is nothing working? No, it's a store issue because in the ad, it says $4 reward when you buy 2, $5 reward when you buy 4. So it is, in fact, a deal of the week. So I don't know what was up at my store this morning. So these are all the laundry care products that are $5.49, and we have very high value digital coupons that are attaching with these, and it's to buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. So look for them tagged in your store. And this is what the tag looks like. So you're going to look for this below, and it's $5 register reward when you buy 4. And these are the digital coupons that I had loaded for the 4 items that I grabbed. We have $1.50 for the liquid, $1 for the dryer sheets by Bounce, $1 for that fabric softener, and a $2.05 for that bag of pods. It's a Tide Power Pods, so they are much larger as a Tide Pod. It's not an itty bitty one. Even though the bag only has 9, it's probably like 18 worth of Tide Pods because they're like double the size if you've ever seen them. This is a very basic deal, grabbing a mix of the Tide, Bounce, Downy, like all the stuff that I showed you in that picture. It's $21.96. Subtracting $5.55 in digital coupons that I showed you in the slides previous, you'll pay $16.41. Get back a $5 register reward that was tagged. And some people on social media are saying an extra P&G coupon is supposed to be printing. I got nothing this morning. $11.41 for the 4 items, just with the 1 register reward, making it $2.85 per laundry care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're using no booster for this deal. This is what the booster looks like, and what I did for this deal was I grabbed that last basket of laundry care product for $21.96, and then 2 of the very large Tide products for like $25.98. This is what my cart looked like. So 4 of the $5.49 laundry care products, and the Tide Free and Gentle, just a favorite in our house. They're $12.99 for the larger detergent liquid and the larger Tide Pod. Now, just to show you the digital coupons that I loaded for the larger Tides. Here they are. So it's a $3 off for the liquid and a $3 off for the pods. And then the 4 that I had for all of those miscellaneous laundry care products. And that $2.05 for the Tide Power, like what a great one. And then last week I had some register rewards that I also threw in. As you can see, it says manufacturer at the top. Thus you can use it in a like spend 45, get back 10, because they're like manufacturer coupons. They're not store register rewards. So you can use these ones. Looking at the math for this one, a mix of the Tide, Bounce, Downy, $21.96, 2 of the much larger Tide products for $25.98 for a grand total of $47.94. I had my digital booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 45. I've made that. I had $11.55 in digital manufacturers coming off and $8 in register rewards that were scanned. I paid $28.39 with my debit card. Got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster, and then $9 in register rewards. So for me, it made it $9.39 for the 6 items, or $1.56 per laundry care product. Now, if you do not have the $8 in register rewards, it would be $17.39 for the 6, or $2.89 per laundry care product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using that booster of spend 45, get back 10. And to just be perfectly transparent again, my digital coupons and register rewards did not print. I'm asking that you share in the comments down below what's happening in your region. If you're from Maine, just say, hey, Maine at noon it worked, or Maine at noon it did not work. Just share in the comments. And if you read the comments, that's the quickest way to figure out what is and is not happening. I did call customer service, guys, and they gave me that goodwill adjustment for $11.55 this morning. I don't like to call customer service or do the chat. I'm just not that person. The manager gave me the missing register rewards, but I had to call customer service for the missing digital coupons. So again, if you can share in the comments down below, there is some issues this morning that I faced at about 9:30 in Michigan. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.